for me that she could back out?
In just a minute.
Okay, good.
January
10-4. How you doing? Yes, I'm Officer Galus here with the town of Ocean Ridge. The reason why I'm pulling you over is your tag is expired. I'll need your license, registration, and insurance, please.
Why are you pulling me over?
Because your tag is expired.
Okay.
Okay?
Am I breaking the law?
Yes, your tag is
Am I
expired.
starting any crime?
Yes, your tag is expired.
You have a supervisor?
I am the supervisor right now. So I'll need your license. You have a choice, okay? And I'm going to explain this to you really probably once or twice to you, okay? I will call my supervisor, but if you fail to produce your information...
You can call your supervisor. I'm not failing to do anything. I'm asking for you.
No, yes, you are.
No, I'm asking for your
It's upon
supervisor.
demand.
I'm demanding your supervisor.
No, you don't get to demand my
You're a
supervisor.
public servant.
You wait. Because
you serve the public.
Yes.
I didn't cause any crime. I didn't hurt
509.
anybody. I'm not...
526, would you 56 me here? Now I need your license, please.
I'm not doing anything commercially. So...
Your tag is expired. Come here, I'll show you.
No.
It's right here.
Okay.
Stay here, don't move. So is this your Jeep?
It is not.
Okay, I already know that.
Right. So...
It's still a lawful stop.
It's lawful?
It's a lawful stop. It's a legal stop.
It's illegal. It's illegal or lawful?
It's legal, and I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not arguing, sir. I'm asking you a question.
I'm asking you for your driver's license. You're driving a vehicle in the state of Florida, and you are...
I'm traveling.
So you're going to play that game?
No, I'm not playing any game.
Yeah.
This is my freedom we're talking about here.
It is, and sure.
And we're talking about you.
My
my
sergeant's on his way, and
we're talking about you as a public servant.
My sergeant's on the way, and you can talk to him.
Okay, and we can talk to him.
Yeah.
And I hope you know.
I hope you know
what you're doing.
I hope I do too.
Okay.
I hope you know too. Her tag is expired, and she won't produce her driver's license, registration, or insurance.
Okay.
She's traveling.
Okay.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing
good.
great.
So I'm the day
So
shift
now-
supervisor.
Hi.
This officer's conducted lawful traffic stop.
Is it lawful or illegal?
It's a lawful traffic stop.
It is. And
Yeah.
what law am I?
Well,
am I breaking?
Apparently,
what law is that?
Okay. Can we see your license and registration?
That has nothing
Okay,
to do with
10:15.
me because. Are you
You're under arrest.
okay? For what? Why are you arresting me? Is your
Yeah. You know what for. Right? Welcome to America.
wow?
This is
Please
not.
don't-
This isn't.
Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
This is not even my car. I did not. This is crazy. I hope your camera is on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
Hop in.
Come on out. Step in.
What is this place?
The Ocean Ridge Police Department.
This is kidnapped.
Step into the cell. Step into the cell.
Why step into there? How are you putting me in here?
Why am I putting you in here?
Yes.
Why do you think I'm putting you in here?
Why are you putting me in here? This is absurd.
Turn around.
Wow. This is absurd.
What you're gonna do is provide your driver's license.
I don't have a driver's
Or an
license.
ID.
You didn't ask for an ID. You said driver's license or registration. You did not ask for an ID.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll see that on camera, so.
Face the wall. Face the wall.
Can someone come in here to speak with me?
Everything on you I need to know about.